Hello guys, I'm Mir and today I want to show you how to provide liquidity for icETH through Sorbet Finance. I want to introduce you the interest compounding ETH index, icETH. But what is icETH? It is a token. But what kind of token? This is the first yield product of index coup and provides an enhanced yield on Ethereum using a leverage liquid staking strategy. It is a leveraged token. Token holders have spot exposure to Ethereum and the yield of their holding is nearly twice compared to simply holding ST Ethereum. What is ST Ethereum? It is a staked Ethereum. The effective yield for icETH is variable and subject to staking rates and borrowing costs. Also, icETH is built on the same infrastructure as the FLI tokens, which minimizes liquidation risk. However, the risk profile of icETH is lower than that of the FLI tokens because of the high correlation and strategy of the icETH procedure. How it is working? First, deposits Lido's liquid staked Ethereum tokens as collateral on AAVE. Second, recursively borrows W Ethereum through AAVE. And third, swaps for more ST Ethereum, then retains spot exposure to Ethereum and amplifies staking returns up to 2x. There are four major benefits on using icETH. Minimized risk, lower gas fee as you see in the picture, and ease of use and composability. icETH is a fully collateralized ERC20 token. It can be integrated into a number of different DeFi protocols. It means that you can spending it on several related DeFis. Okay, and there is some parameters for icETH. Collateral asset is ST Ethereum and blah blah blah. You can see them on the picture. But how to buy or mint icETH? You can buy or mint it on IndexCoop application, on Uniswap, and the third is Sorbet Finance. I will show you in the incoming steps. And you can bring liquidity through IndexCoop and Uniswap and Sorbet Finance. Token holders are also able to provide liquidity through the G-Uni pool powered by Gelato, Sorbet Finance. Okay, let's go to Sorbet Finance to see how it is working. You can go to Sorbet Finance through the address Sorbet Finance and go to pools and choose icETH pool to bring liquidity. First, you can push the button add liquidity. The tokens will be set to icETH and WETH. You must provide both kind of currencies, icETH and Ethereum, together to the pool, just like this picture. Let me show you. It is here in index cube. You can see the procedure clearly, completely. Okay, icETH Ethereum pool overview is like this, and to provide liquidity you must choose add liquidity, then bring the amount of icETH and also W Ethereum together to bring liquidity to the pool, and you must then approve icETH, also approve Ethereum on that pool through your wallet. It needs your confirmation twice, each one time, and then add liquidity button will be available for you to push. Okay, I was tell you every aspect of this token. What are the risks? Every investment has its own risks, and I want to tell you what is them on icETH. First is liquidation risk. As with any use of leverage, there is inherent liquidation risk if the health of the collateralized debt position were to fall below liquidation thresholds. But also, I mentioned that the risk is lowered in icETH because of its specific formula. Second risk to consider is interest rate risk. Incremental yield can only be generated if the stETH staking rate exceeds to the Ethereum borrow rate. These two factors can change favorably or unfavorably. For stETH, the staking rate can fall as more Ethereum is deposited into the Ethereum 2 staking contract. This would lead to lower yields on icETH. Post-merge, the staking rate for stETH can also increase, which would increase the effective yield on icETH. What are the potential returns? You can see in the picture the return on icETH is variable in the sense that the effective yield can change as staking and borrowing rates fluctuate. At the time of recording this video, the yield on icETH versus Ethereum is 10.8%, or 2.65x the staking rate earned by simply holding Ethereum, simply staking Ethereum, you can imagine. However, if the borrowing costs within AAV were to double from the current rate of 0.9% up to 1.80%, the yield on icETH would fall to 8.8. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your concern and following me to provide liquidity in format of icETH. And this is the address we doing the liquidity to a staking pool. Goodbye.